This video is for teachers at Estacada School District grades K through 8. This video will show you how to edit an assignment so that any standards attached to that assignment are either included or excluded from the overall assessment final grade. Click on an assignment. This standard is scored, and these numbers in the standard column are black. This means that these scores are being included in the overall assessment mode score. Click on the drop-down, click on the next assignment, and you can also see that this standard is scored and the numbers are either blue or purple. These scores are excluded from the overall assessment final score. In our first assignment, we want those to be excluded. So we click on that assignment, and then you click on the right-hand side, Edit Assignment. Click on the Standards tab. Click on Show Selected Standards. You can see the standard that's attached to the assignment, and you can see that the box for Count and Grade is checked. Uncheck this box, then click Save and Close. You can see that the numbers have now changed colors, and this score is no longer reflected in the overall assessment final score.